You don't need a fortune to start building wealth. With $10,000, you have a variety of investment options that can help you grow your money over time. So whether you're looking for growth, passive income, or long-term stability, there's something for everybody. So let's take a look at some of the best investments that you can make. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are the 5 best investments under 10K. Number 1, index funds or ETFs. So low cost and diversified index funds or exchange traded funds track the market and are perfect for long-term investors. Number 2, robo-advisors. Automated platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront help you to manage your money without the need for in-depth knowledge, making it ideal for beginners. Number 3, dividend stocks. So investing in companies that pay dividends can offer a steady income stream while your investment grows. Number 4 is real estate crowdfunding. So platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate with as little as $500, giving you a chance to diversify into property without the hassle. Number 5 is bonds. Municipal or corporate bonds provide more stability and regular returns, offering lower risk compared to stocks. So with $10,000, you have the chance to start building a strong portfolio that can work for you over time. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, leave me a like. I love you.